next award is for contribution to advancing financial inclusion in India by an enabling institution. And ladies and gentlemen, the winner is Sadhan. We have with us to receive the award Mr. P. Satish, Executive Director, Sadhan. Ladies and gentlemen, over the last 2 decades, Sadhan has worked tirelessly in supporting and strengthening the agenda of financial inclusion in India and has created a space and understanding of microfinance with policymakers, bankers, government, researchers, and practitioners. Sadhan's membership network has reached out to approximately 46 million clients with the loans outstanding of more than 1,159 crores, and over 90% of districts in India have been covered by them. Our heartiest congratulations. I request Mr. Satish to kindly give us a brief acceptance speech.
Thank you, Access Assist, and thank you, Anurag Thakurji, for conferring this award on Sadhan. If India's microfinance sector today is at such a high level, catering to so many millions of poor women and other people, it's the work which Sadhan has done over the last 20 years. I am very proudly able to say this, and our founding members like Ilaben and Vijay Mahajan, Al Fernandez, Jayashree Ben is also here. So all these people have contributed to building up of Sadhan as a handholder and a supporting organization for the entire microfinance sector. Today, when we are accepting this award, we are accepting this award on behalf of 225 member institutions who catered to nearly 50 million members below the poverty line and slightly above the poverty line, who are catering to their credit needs, to nearly 50 million people, and also about 1.20 lakh crore of credit which has gone to this sector in the last financial year. And we work with the government, both the state and central government, to take all the developmental programs through the microfinance sector, including areas like water and sanitation, renewable energy, and also financial literacy. And that's why today I am very proud to receive this award on behalf of all our member organizations. And personally, I have a personal note because Chairman Dr. Chintala of my previous organization is also here. When this award was conferred on NABARD, fortunately, I received the award on behalf of NABARD also, because I was the senior most person from NABARD here. And today I am very glad that I am receiving this award on behalf of Sadhan. Thank you.
So I think, sir, I can offer safely double congratulations earlier for NABARD and now today here for Sadhan. Heartiest congratulations.